Hello, I'm a grade 7 student, and I've seen disposable face masks all over, thrown and left on the streets, in the grass, or in the park. I've seen disposable face masks in the snow, or people forgetting them and they're left behind at the park or floating in Lake Ontario. We have not yet received indication on how to dispose face masks and the carbon footprint of producing. Throwing them out and ending our landfills is damaging the environment and the atmosphere. Hi, my name is Jacob, and this project is called Transforming Industrial Sterilized Disposable Face Mask Waste into Shipping Packaging. I decided to use disposable masks to fill a box that allows us to reuse them before our landfill ends. This is going to be my abstract. The purpose of this project is to reduce sterilized, clean, disposable face masks made of plastic microfibers that will continue to make full use of its material while keeping them out of our landfills, streets, and natural environment. Disposable face masks are difficult to recycle, and their accumulation contributes to an enormous amount of environmental threats, so I will use them to construct boxes for shipping. This project involves exploring ways of reducing disposable face masks to fabricate shipping boxes. The different construction methods and binding glues, we tried to identify the optimal product while disposing the minimum waste material. A crush test was performed on the boxes to make meaningful comparisons between the different boxes. This experiment used new, clean, disposable face masks, while sterilization was not part of the experiment. The face masks were cut or shredded to form different containers without elastic cord and were without nose bridge, separating the polypropylene, PP for short, woven, and without separating the melt blown filter and PP non-woven, adding different bindings to attach the form boxes. The boxes were mailed through Canada Post to see how many times they could do a trip without getting any damage, to compare the square footage of a square cardboard footage producing the methane in the atmosphere. The purpose and hypothesis. The purpose of this experiment is to determine if using clean, sterilized, disposable face masks can have a second use instead of going directly to our landfills. My hypothesis is that we can create a box using disposable masks and have a clean and sterilized. And as you can see right here, this is one of the boxes that I built out of disposable masks. Then we can reduce the amount of mask waste in cardboard and the landfills, because we will be able to reduce masks in reusable shipping containers that will replace our cardboard boxes. As you can see, this is a cardboard box that we have right here, and this is one of the mask boxes I made out. The results and analysis. The box 2 with the homemade paper mache glue as a method of binding the disposable face mask lasted 9 trips through Canada Post domestic shipping services from Burlington to Oakville, Ontario, Canada. The box number 3 with its homemade paper mache glue as a method of binding the shredded face mask without a nose and bridge and ear loops did not hold the form together as a whole box. The binding was not strong enough to support the 4 corners of the box. The mixture was shredded masks, and the homemade paper mache glue was not sufficient enough to support the weight without breaking into pieces. As you can see right here, this was the life cycle of the box 2. So, construction of the box number 2, the cover. Is it completed? Yes, it passed. Construction of the box number 2, the body of it. Is it completed? Yes. So, we prepared it for package shipping, 6 mini boxes containing masks. Is it completed? Yes. So, we shipped it out from Canada Post, as I told you in the results and analysis, and we received the package. Then we shipped it out again, and we received it, then we shipped it out again, and then we received it, and so on. So basically, we did it 9 times until we ended it, until we received the box number 2 again, and we ended the shipping. Last but not least, conclusions. The shipping test for box 1 showed up that the box was made of disposable face masks that could do 3 trips from Canada Post still hold together. The shipping test box for number 2 showed that the box was made of disposable face masks that could use to do up to 9 trips in Canada Post and still hold together. This could stop 4.5 kilograms of carbon dioxide going into the air. The results of the experiment showed that using disposable face masks was made to reusable shipping containers is possible and had clear benefits for the environment. The experiment was successful based on the purpose and hypothesis. The results of this experiment showed clear benefits of reusing face masks. This study may serve to the next step of investigating reusing or other medical devices due to potential large climate change and cost reductions. This will lead to more sustainable products that have lower carbon footprint and may be manufactured at lower cost. Which that means if we reuse box 2 9 times, then the amount of carbon dioxide that we have stopped going into the air is 9 times 0.5, which equals 4.5 kilograms carbon dioxide. If everyone used these boxes for shipping, we could stop a lot of carbon dioxide from going into the air. Thank you for listening.